Hi everyone, in this video I will show you step by step how to install Python and PyCharm. Also at the end of this video you will be able to write your first Python program, so stay tuned. So in order to let's first check if your system already have Python, because some systems already have Python installed. So press window R and type cmd. Now here, in order to check if your system has Python, you just type python space dash dash version. And as you can see, my system does not have Python right now, so it's giving me this error. Otherwise you will see Python with the version number mentioned here. So let's go to our browser and install Python. Type python.org, go to downloads, and you can see there is an option to download Python 3. There used to be also an option to download Python 2, but Python 2 is no longer supported, as you can see here. So I would not recommend installing Python 2 anymore. So let's download Python 3 desktop. Let's open the setup here. So one thing which is very important, I would recommend you check this option and install now. Okay, so with the magic of video editing, you can see the screen sooner. Okay, let's close this. Now let's do the test again. Press window R and let's open the command prompt. And if you type again Python version, now you will see your Python is installed here. So we installed Python. Let's install PyCharm now. Again, let's go to the browser. So I will write in Google, I will type download PyCharm. Let's go to this link here, and you can see there are two options here, professional and community. So this one is free. Let's download this one. Desktop. Okay, so it's done now. Let's go to the desktop and run this setup as well. Press next, install PyCharm. So if you want your Python files to automatically run in this editor, you can check this. Also, if you want the PyCharm to be as a desktop shortcut, you can check this as well. Just press next. Okay, now you can go grab a snack or coffee while this is done. Just kidding. So let's run this. Press OK. Of course, the dark version. Just start using PyCharm. Okay, here you can, if you already have a project that you have created before, you can open it, or you can just start with a new project. And here you can name your project. So I will name this hello. Here you can see this one is basically showing which Python you are using. So it already knows the latest version of Python. I just downloaded, so it grab it. Otherwise, if you check this list, you will see other versions of Pythons as well. So this is most probably Python 2, so I won't recommend using that. Okay, so let's create this. So when it's loaded, you will see a screen like this. So this is your project, and it has one Python file which is called main.py. It has created for you. So I would say just delete everything and just start typing hello world. And once you do that, just right click and then press run main. So this was your first Python program that you just wrote. Okay, so now I would recommend just play with this, type some more Python code here, and get familiar and comfortable with this IDE. The next video I will be creating is how to install Python and PyCharm in Mac environment. Okay, so before we finish this video, I just want to show you one last thing, which might be very useful. So basically, you are not bound to just this IDE, PyCharm. So in order to find the file that you have created here, just right click on this name of the file and go to Show in Explorer. So when you do that, it shows the location of the file. Now you have this Python file created here. So I would suggest you press Command R again in order to open the terminal. So I just want to show you how you can run this file from the command prompt as well without PyCharm. So you can type Python, just Python space, and you can just grab this file here and press enter. So that's how you run your Python outside the PyCharm as well. So this was my first video. If you have any feedback, feel free to give me any feedback, and also follow my Instagram page. See you next time.